There's golden light outside my window, but somehow joy feels incomplete. Songs that used to sound so happy now carry echoes of missing you. In every quiet summer night alone, your name is still inside my prayers. Even with no news, no certainty, my heart still knows how to wait for you. In the warmth of the July breeze, there's only one name that whispers through. If I can make a wish beneath this open sky, I hope somehow it reaches you. Yeah, please. Maybe this summer our footsteps will finally meet, even for a moment, even just briefly. It's enough for a heart that's waited so long. Maybe this summer I see you standing in front of me. No questions asked, no explanations, just together in the summer heat. Yeah. There are days I try accepting that maybe this is how it goes, but whenever summer finds me, you're still the one my heart looks for. Still you. If there's a distance no one can measure, not time, not the world, not the years, I hope at least once it disappears, and somehow you'll be here underneath the scattered stars. There's a heart that won't let go. If I could wish on this quiet night, you're still the prayer I hold. Yes, you. Maybe this summer I fixed up for finally meeting for a moment, even just briefly. 'Cause enough for a heart that's waited so long. Maybe this summer I see you standing in front of me. No questions asked, no explanations, just together in the summer heat. Yeah. And if silence is the only answer, I'll understand, though it still hurts. I'll keep loving in the way I can't wait.